Hi, and welcome to another video by Get It Done Home Repairs. Today's quick tip is going to be how to unlock a bathroom door or a bedroom door that has a small little hole such as this right here. There's no key that goes in it, but how do you unlock it when you lock it by accident from the inside and there's nobody in there to unlock it for you? A very easy way to do it is you basically just take a screwdriver, a very thin screwdriver. This one is actually way too thick, but you would take the screwdriver, you would put it in through this hole right here. It's flat on the inside. You put it into that slot, you turn it, and you can unlock the door. That's how you open it up. Now, if you don't have a very small screwdriver, you can use anything. When you buy the locks, they come with a very small key such as this so that you can open it up if you have had to, but most people don't have it. So if you don't have this key to open it up, you would go and just pick up a very, very small screwdriver that's probably as small as that, if not a little bit thinner. All right, and what you would basically do is you would just come over to the door itself, you take the key itself, put it in the slot right here, and you just feel around until you feel it go into the slot where the key, where this flat part or the screwdriver, whatever you have, would fit into. It goes in just like that, and then you would turn it, and you can unlock it, and it opens right up. All right, I'm going to show you how to do that again. The door is locked, you can't get in. You just take your key, put it in this way here, put it in, turn it around until you feel it engage in the slot that's inside there, and then you just turn it just like that, open it up, and there you go, you're in. So don't worry about it. Most of the time, truthfully, a lot of the times these keys are on the doorway up on top, on the frame of a doorway. So if you don't have a key and you just recently bought the house, whatever, you probably will find this key on the top of the doorway itself, like above on the frame above the door. This house here, I actually found 3 or 4 of these keys before we painted everything, and these keys were up on top of the woodwork around the door itself. All right, so I hope this helps somebody out and doesn't cause you a lot of headaches. But again, if you don't have this key, just go out and buy a very, very small screwdriver at any one of the big box stores, or even an eyeglass repair kit. It'll work the exact same way. But that's it. That's how you open up a door when you don't have a key to get into it. Okay, now this is a different kind of a lock. This is a more modern lock that you find on a lot of doors nowadays, both bedrooms and bathrooms. This one you can see has the slot externally, so you can see it. You can just put a regular flathead screwdriver in it, and you rotate it, and it'll either lock or unlock the lock, very simply. Okay, and you make sure you use a flat screwdriver, and it opens up fairly easy. Now, I just want to point this out to you as well. If you don't have a screwdriver, you can take something like a coin, any kind of a coin, whether it's a quarter or a nickel or whatever you have. You can take it and you can put it into the slot as well, just like that. And then you can rotate it clockwise, or I should say counterclockwise to unlock, clockwise to lock, and you can just open it right up, just like that. That's it, and you gain access to either the bedroom or the bathroom, whatever you were locked out of. All right, let me show you one more time. Quite simply, it's locked. Take your coin, put it in the slot, rotate it to the left, counterclockwise, and it opens up. And that's it. All right, so this is 2 different kinds of locks that you can open very easily. All right, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.